Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Audacity cannot find any audio devices. And it says that you will not be able to play or record audio. And it'll say error, internal port audio error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to actually restart your system and then see if that resolves the problem just by doing that. Another thing, if you want to unplug your audio device from your computer and then plugging it back in, that's worth a shot as well. And we're also going to try updating our audio device drivers. So we're going to open up the start menu, type in device manager. Best result should come back with device manager. So go ahead and left click on that. You would expand the sound, video, and game controller section. Just double click on it, and then whatever audio device is listed under here, you want to go right click on it and select update driver, select browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select whichever one's most compatible, or if there's a generic one you can select that, but generally if you have a manufacturer provided one, I'd go with that one. That's my first choice. And then we're going to go select next, select yes. Give it a moment here, and it should say it has successfully updated your drivers. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. Would suggest restarting your computer after you do that, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.